Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we shall study about mixtures. It is the second topic of second chapter of your chemistry. A mixture is one which contains two or more different kinds of particles. Atoms, the particles may be atoms or molecules. In other words, a mixture contains two or more pure substances mixed together. For example, salt and water, milk, food, etc. أکِس mixture گوٚو سُہ یَتھ منٛز اَکہِ کھۄتہٕ زٕ pure substances آسان پانہٕ ؤنۍ mix کٔرِتھ. For example, water, salt and water ییٚلہِ نوٗن آب دیٹ سُہ چھُ mixture. Milk چھُ اکھ mixture, food چھُ اکھ mixture. اَتھ منٛز چھِ اَکہِ کھۄتہٕ زٕ particle پانہٕ ؤنۍ mix آمٕتۍ آسان کرنہٕ. Mixtures are of two types: homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures are also called as solutions or true solution. Mixtures in which substances are completely mixed together and are indistinguishable from one another. For example, salt water mixture. تِم mixture یَتھ منٛز solute تہٕ solvent پانہٕ ؤنۍ تِتھ پٲٹھۍ پانہٕ ؤنۍ mix گژھن پَتہٕ یِن نہٕ ڈِسٹِنٛگ الگ phase solvent phase solute phase یی نہٕ اَتہِ لَبنہٕ کینٛہہ. یِمن چھِ وَنان homogeneous mixture or true solutions. For example, salt water mixture. Salt water solution. Here are some figures. It's a mixture of solution of salt and water, and this is the mixture of salt and sugar, salt and water. You can see that transparent, it shows the mixing together. In first phase it's not mixed, in second phase it's completely mixed, and it means you cannot now identify separately the solute particles. That sugar hekon is yath mans identify alag karit ki ach pana this ach pana ak true solution. Then we have heterogeneous mixtures. Heterogeneous mixtures are of two types: suspensions and colloids. Heterogeneous mixtures in which substances are separate, not completely mixed together. For example, suspension, chalk water, muddy water, colloid, milk, ink, etc. تِم mixture یَتھ منٛز solute تہٕ solvent پانہٕ ؤنۍ completely mix آسان نہٕ گٔمٕتۍ کِہیٖنۍ تِمن چھِ وَنان heterogeneous mixture. اَتھ چھِ زٕ قٕسم: اکھ گٔے suspension بیٚیہِ colloid. Suspension تھٲیِو تُہۍ یِتھ پٲٹھۍ یاد: اگر آبس منٛز أسۍ چاک پاوڈر تراوو یا میٚژِ آب، سُہ چھُ اکھ سسپینشن. تَتہِ چھِ دوٗرِ سولوٹ پارٹِکلز یِوان اَتھِ اَمِکۍ مطلب چاک یِوان الگ اَتھِ ہُہ یِوان الگ اَتھِ میٚژِ پارٹِکل. colloid, milk, ink. یِم تہِ گٔے یہِ چھُ اَتھ colloidal solution. یہِ چھُ اکھ heterogeneous mixture تہٕ اَتھ تہِ ہٮ۪کن پَتہٕ by some process ہیٚکہِ solute solvent الگ الگ گٔژھِتھ. Now it is the difference between suspensions and colloids. What are suspensions? By this difference you will understand more clearly what are suspensions and what are colloids. The suspensions are unstable. The particles do not settle down after some time. تَمیُک مطلب گوٚو اگر تُہۍ سسپینشن بناوان چھُو أسۍ تراوو آب تہٕ میٚژ رلاوو پانہٕ ؤنۍ پتہٕ تھٲیِو سُہ گِلاس ہوکُن سُہ آفٹر سم ٹایم میٚژ وَسہِ تَتھ بۄن آب سۄ کھسہِ آب روزِ ہیوٚر یعنی آب روزِ نہٕ ہیوٚر میٚژ وَسہِ تَتھ بۄن. تَمیُک مطلب گوٚو سلیوٹ پارٹِکلز گژھن آفٹر سم ٹایم یِم چھِنہٕ سٹیبل چھِنہٕ یِم گژھن انسٹیبل میٖنٕز یِم گژھن الگ الگ. The colloids are quite stable and particles do not separate out. ہاں اگر تُہۍ مِلک چھُو تَتھ منٛز چھُنہٕ الگ الگ گژھان فیٹ یُس تَتھ منٛز پروٹیٖن تِم چھِنہٕ الگ الگ گژھان کِہیٖنۍ. گوٚو colloids are quite stable. The size of solute particles is quite large, more than 100 nm in diameter. ییٚمیُک solute particle چھِ آسان واریاہ لارٕج اَمیُک diameter چھِ آسان 100 nm کھۄتہٕ زیادٕ suspension منٛز. Size of particles is between 1 nm. It is more than 1 nm and less than n nm. یعنی کہِ bigger than solution but smaller than suspension. تَمہِ نِش آسان کَرُن solution کھۄتہٕ چھُ بوٚڑ آسان colloidن منٛز. For example, chalk water mixture, muddy water یِم گٔے suspension. colloidن ہٕنٛز example milk, ink, blood, etc. More properties of suspensions. Particles can be seen easily. The particles in suspension can be seen easily. سُہ ہٮ۪کو أسۍ particle ہٮ۪کو أسۍ دوٗرِ وٕچھِتھ اَمِکۍ solute particle منٛز. Particles do not pass through particles do not agar أسۍ filtration karo اَمہِ مٔنٛزۍ ہٮ۪کَن نہٕ solute particles pass گٔژھِتھ کِہیٖنۍ سو suspension can be separate تیٚلہِ اگر أسۍ filtration میٚژِ آب ترٛاوو filter paper ترٛاوو آب آسہِ بۄن میٚژ روزِ ہیوٚر یعنی یہِ ہٮ۪کو أسۍ filtration through separate کٔرِتھ can scatter a beam of light passing through it because large size of solute particles چوٗنٛکہِ the particles ہُنٛد size solute particle ہُنٛد size چھُ زیادٕ آسان تیٚلہِ ہیٚکہِ یہِ beam of light scatter کٔرِتھ گوٚو یہِ ہیٚکہِ سُہ beam of light scatter اگر اَمِچ light pass کَرو یہِ ہیٚکہِ تَتھ scattering ہیٚکہِ تَتھ light گٔژھِتھ beam of light more properties of colloids appears to be homogeneous but actually it's different the colloidal solution appears to be homogeneous but actually it is heterogeneous أسۍ چھِ اَسہِ دوٗرِ باسان چھِ complete مگر actually ییٚلہِ أسۍ keenly study کران چھِ it's a heterogeneous mixture the particles cannot be seen even with a microscope when you will use microscope you cannot still see its particles separately the particles can pass through filter paper if you will use filtration this colloidal solution will whole colloidal solution will pass through filter paper so it can't be separated by filtration colloids also scatter a beam of light passing through it because of large size of particle since its size of particles is large so it can scatter a beam of light agar colloidal solution منٛز أسۍ light تراوو pass بیٹری ہٕنٛز لایٹ ترٛاوو سلوٗشَن ترٛاوو یِتھ پٲٹھۍ گِلاس مٔنٛزۍ ترٛاوو سلوٗشَن تہٕ یہِ لایٹ سۄ ہیٚکہِ سکیٹر بیٖم آف لایٹ کٔرِتھ یَتھ أسۍ الگ پٲٹھۍ تہِ پَرو أسۍ یَتھ أسۍ ٹِنڈل اِفیکٹ تہِ وَنان چھِ د سکیٹرِنٛگ آف لایٹ باے کلایڈل سلوٗشن از کالڈ ٹِنڈل اِفیکٹ گوٚو اِٹ شوز دیٹ اِفیکٹ then difference between solution suspension colloids by this difference you will clearly understand the three types of these mixtures solution it's homogeneous suspension it is heterogeneous colloidal it appears to be homogeneous but actually it is heterogeneous size of solute particles is less than 1 nm in diameter size of solute particles is greater than n nm 100 nm in diameter it is between 1 and so colloid size between 1 nm and 100 nm in diameter solution particles pass through filter paper whole solution passes through filter paper particles cannot pass through filter paper so particles of suspension they cannot pass through filter paper یُس مےٚ ٲدۍ ووٚن سَتھ روزن پٮ۪ٹھَے particle ہُم ہیٚکہِ نہ solute particle can pass through filter paper colloidal solution can pass through filter paper solution does not scatter a beam of light since its particles are very small solute particles scatters beam of light as the size of particles is quite large a colloidal solution also scatters a beam of light suspension can scatter a beam of light and colloidal solution can also scatter a beam of light solutions are stable solution are stable اگر أسۍ آب کھنٛڈ آب بَناوو مِکسچر پَتہٕ ترٛاوو تَتھ نیرِ نہٕ پَتہٕ ژۭرۍ کھنٛڈ الگ تہٕ آب یِہوٚے گوٚو سٹیبل سسپینشن اگر تُہۍ بَنٲیِو مٔڈی واٹر اگر تُہۍ یہِ چھِ اَنسٹیبل سوری یَتھ چھُ تھوڑا اِٹ اِز اَنسٹیبل quite stable colloidal تہِ stable اَتھ تہِ چھِنہٕ الگ الگ solute solvent particle نیران کینٛہہ examples for example solution brass sugar water and brass کیٛاہ گوٚو یہِ چھِ زٕ metal پانہٕ ؤنۍ یِوان combine کَرٕنۍ it is solid solute solvent brass چھُ اکھ اَمیُک mixture یُس alloy چھِ sugar water چھِ mixture air چھِ mixture chalk water suspension گوٚو chalk water muddy water etc milk ink blood یِم گٔے colloidal solution ہٕنٛدۍ example solution چھِ ہٮ۪کان solid تہِ solvent ٲسِتھ liquid تہِ تہٕ this gas تہِ solid solvent solution solid liquid solution sugar water solid liquid gas solution یِتھ کٔنۍ أسۍ this carbonated water آسان چھِ thank you stay home stay safe next time we will discuss and it's another topic inshallah